I'm back. I'm Sweet Heavenly Death, and I have a quick Daiso haul for you today. And we all know Daiso is a Japanese dollar store, but their lowest price is $2.25. So enjoy these wonderful, cute items that you can find in Daiso. They're not in my city. I was out of town. And of course, every time I have a chance to see a Daiso, I take it, not all the time, except for one time. But, that's neither here nor there. So enjoy this fabulous Daiso haul. I do want to let you know I did buy the Mousse Bee, if that's how you pronounce maker, and I've used it, and it's absolutely very simple to use. I love it. One of my new favorite items to create. And then we have these fabulous, wonderful laundry bags. So many different shapes, sizes, designs. If you need laundry bag, this is the place to go. You can get your fill, small ones, medium ones, large ones. You can see all the different printed ones, and then Mickey Mouse, Disney. There's one. Oh, that's so cute and adorable. These little animals. So cute. Oh, wonderful. If you like, Hello Kitty. If you like these laundry bags, let me know in the comment section down below. What is your favorite one? Mickey Mouse again, and different Winnie the Pooh. So if you're into Disney and Mickey, then if you're into what is this, like journals, making your own calendars, they have so many items for that. And these are beads. I can't remember exactly what those for. And then these are little containers you can put clear pockets. And they have different sizes. And those molds that if you use any clay. Awesome. And then what else? Oh, they always have a huge amount for washi tape. All different kinds, colors, designs. It's a washi world. I can't get it. It's washi world. And so I hope you can spot any that you like and different items. They're so cute. And these are stickers. They have quite a few stickers. Not as many as the washi tape, but they have different kind of unique stickers. So if you are looking for something different, a little closer to home, that bakery, doesn't that look delicious? Makes you want to eat off the paper, right? There's some more Disney. There's Winnie the Pooh, Mickey Mouse, Disney Princess, and look at those unique stickers. And then they have these plastic card rings. Instead of metal ones, they have plastic ones. Look at all these sticky note tapes. Different colors, different shapes, unique. Look at the circle ones. There's different bright color pastels. You see so many different 2 layers. What are these? They're just the regular size. Look at those. Look at those neon colors of that. Look at that. The strips. So you can create, a junk journal or any book you're trying to create. And these are more items. I hope you enjoy all these different items that I've seen in Daiso. But the one item that I really wanted, I didn't find. But I hope you enjoy it. I always say, be blessed until next time.